Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you MIDINGCHAI e-scooter lock. This is a lock for our e-scooter. It's a handcuff lock for e-scooters. E-scooter lock, a bicycle lock with keys. 3 of them for electronic scooter, bicycles, electronic bikes, and of course for motorcycle and standard bikes on the back too. Because we have here a high security device. The bicycle lock have a high security level, which offers a high level of security thanks to its hardened chain, which can withstand heat treatment and can withstand liquid cuts and thawing. We have here high quality materials built out of it. The roller lock is made of durable 3T manganese steel with a strong chain that can withstand tensile forces up to 10 kilonewton and shear forces of up to 20 kilonewton. The lock is made of zinc alloy, which prevents rusting. No scratches on the paint with that here, because the surface of the bicycle lock with keys is covered with a 3mm thick silicone layer, and the chain is covered with nylon material to avoid scratches on the paint while the vehicle is secured or stored. And we have a rust resistant and a durable design. The lock of the e-scooter lock is made of zinc alloy, which prevent rusting. Opening and closing is smooth, and the lock is sturdy and durable. And we have here a versatile scooter lock. The total length of the bicycle locks is 94 cm, with the chain area being 61 cm. This motorcycle lock can not only be used for e-scooters, of course, bicycles and motorcycles, but also for gates and other applications. And it looks really cool because we have here a cool design. We have here an e-scooter lock with a 5-liter e-scooter bag on the scene. That means we can store up to 5 liter in the bag, which we can install on the front side of our bicycle or e-scooter. We have high material quality. The roller lock is made of a durable 3T manganese steel with a strong chain that can withstand a tensile of up to 10 kilonewton and a shear force up to 20 kilonewton too. So you can see it is a hard work to remove this from your cycle device, which is stored and secured at any place. And the really cool thing is we have no scratches on the paint, because the handcuff lock for the e-scooter is covered with a nylon material to avoid scratches on the paint, while the vehicle is secured, or of course it is stored. And no scratches on the paint goes far, because the surface of the master lock handcuff lock is covered with a 3mm thick silicone layer. And 5-liter e-scooter bag, which is included, comes to lock for e-bike with a waterproof bag for electronic scooters with a capacity of up to 5 liters. And the electronic scooter bag is made of hard waterproof PU materials, and it is equipped with a waterproof zipper too. It's suitable for various electric bicycles. All you can have easy peasy because it's easy to use. Locking and unlocking have very smooth and easy, and it goes fast with that here. It can be attached to the most electric scooters out there. The bag is lightweight and compact, which makes it easy to handle and store. And the scooter bag is water resistant and built touch to withstand the variety weather conditions. And furthermore, the installation of the bag is easy and effortless. It can be attached to the scooter without additional tools and stay securely in place, even at high speed level. Whenever we commute to work daily or just enjoy a relaxing ride, this bag is an the indispensable companion for any scooter rider out there. It is equipped with a multi-pocket and compartment to safely store small things such as keys, wallet, mobile phone, or your sunglasses. And of course, it can store your lock system too. This is the MIDINGCHAI e-scooter lock. This is a lock for e-scooter, of course. This is a handcuff lock for bicycles, or an e-bike lock, a bicycle lock with keys. 3 of them are in the box for all kind of devices out there. Easy to install and of course easy and fast to remove for your security. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.